Our old ice bucket broke. It was a real pain. We found this Tomato Man replacement. It was a true lifesaver. This Samsung Ice Container DA97-20156A arrived quickly. Furthermore, installation was a breeze. It fit our Samsung fridge perfectly. This ice bucket is robust. It feels much sturdier. It replaces several models. For example, DA97-20156B. Also, DA97-20156A. Now, our ice maker works like new. The ice flows smoothly. We are so happy. This is a great upgrade. This ice bucket is a diamond. It holds a lot of ice. No more ice shortages. Our family uses much ice, especially during summer. This Samsung Ice Container DA97-20156A is a game changer. It is a genuine improvement. It helps our fridge function better. The old bucket was weak. It cracked easily. However, this one feels solid. It's built to last. We appreciate the quality. It's a vast improvement. Therefore, we highly recommend it. In conclusion, this ice bucket is essential. It's a necessary kitchen component. The price is reasonable. The quality is excellent. If your ice bucket is failing, this is your solution. This Samsung Ice Container DA97-20156A is a must-have. It brings joy to our kitchen. Ultimately, it makes life easier. Buy it. You won't regret it. Pros: good value for the price. Lightweight and portable, protects from scratches and dust, simple and effective design, durable neoprene material, soft inner lining, smooth operating zipper. Offers basic cushioning, fits most 15-inch laptops, can be used alone or in bag. Cons: may not fit perfectly, durability concerns, noisy operation, ice production issues. Instructions unclear. Features: upgraded design, replaces DA97-20156B, replaces DA97-20156A, compatible with Samsung fridges. Ice bucket replacement, ice container, fits RF27T5201SG, fits RF28R7201 Steradian, ice maker tray parts. Easy to install. The Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20156B refrigerator ice bucket is an improved replacement part for various Samsung refrigerators. It's designed to fit models like the RF27T5201SG and RF28R7201 Steradian. Replacing older parts DA97-20156B and DA97-20156A. This ice bucket is easy to install and provides a new ice container and tray for your ice maker. The Tomato Man upgraded DA97-20156B ice bucket is a good value replacement for Samsung refrigerators. It's lightweight and has a simple, effective design. But some users found it noisy, had trouble with ice production, and unclear instructions. The separate product mentioned, a laptop sleeve, is made of durable neoprene with a soft lining and a smooth zipper, offering basic cushioning for most 15-inch laptops. It protects from scratches and dust and can be used alone or in a bag, though some found it might not fit perfectly or have durability concerns.